Yes, I will tell you how to make money from YouTube with 0 subscribers. YouTube will pay you a lot of money even with what 0 subscribers. This is what I do myself and I'm still doing it. Do you know that before you can make money normally on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? But here today, there is a secret I will leak to you. The secret will make you to be earning money even immediately you start opening your YouTube channel with 0 subscribers. And that's what I've been doing and I'm ready to show you. Before we go to the nitty-gritty of the secret, there are some things I want you to understand. Number one, do you know that even if you have not reached your 1,000 subscribers, YouTube have the right to place ads on your videos? They will be making money while you will be struggling and hustling to reach the 1,000 subscribers, which is not easy at all. Secondly, the reason why you must be making money before you even reach the 1,000 subscribers is because 90% of people crash out of YouTube, because before you can make that 1,000 subscribers, you might gas out, you might be frustrated, you might have a lot of ups and downs. That is the second reason. The third reason why you must start making money before you get to 1,000 subscribers is YouTube is a bit complex. There are a lot of things you have to learn, and learning is a process. Because before you learn, you must make mistakes, make many mistakes, correct yourself, make mistake, correct. This will take months and months and months for most of YouTubers. During that process, if you are not earning any money and you are just doing it, you are doing it for doing sake, you might be frustrated and you gas out. That's the third reason. So if I teach you this method that I'm using and you are making money even without any subscribers, you start growing your subscribers gradually without any frustration, because you'll be making money at the side, also growing your channel. Now, at the end, you will be happy because there will be two methods. You'll be earning by the method I will teach you. You will also earn from YouTube when you make 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you can make easily without any frustration. Because on the average, before you can grow on YouTube, at least you must make like 40 to 50 bad videos. That's what the expert in YouTube will tell you. Because it is from your videos and you see how people react to it, you look at your analytics, you look at your statistics on YouTube. That's what to show you to know maybe one is bad or one is good, because there are many things for you to learn. You learn how to do thumbnail, you learn how to edit your video, you edit it yourself, you learn how to post, you learn SEO. SEO is about the description, the tag, and how you present your video. We have something we call the end screen and we have the card. There are a lot of technicalities in how you make your videos, but you learn this along the way. But it's good for you to know what you use to make money before you now reach that 1,000 subscribers. I am about to tell you the secret method that I always use. But before I do that, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. At the end of the day, if you find value in it, share with friends and family. Press the bell icon so that whenever I release video, you will be notified. Because I'll be expecting people to show interest, because I can teach you also how to make thumbnail, how to do description, how to do SEO, and how to grow on YouTube. Though this channel is primarily for educational purpose, and the educational purpose I'm using it for, I teach mathematics, physics, and chemistry. I release free videos and tutorials on those subjects. But I just have it in mind that I want to release this to people to help them, because I'm making money even without having the number of the subscribers I'm supposed to have. Presently, as I'm making this video, the number of my subscribers are just 732, and I have a watch hour of 1,240. You can see that it's not up to the task, because for you to be a partner on YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers and you must have 1,240. I mean, you must have 4,000 watch hours. Sorry. So, and I'm not up to that, but I'm still making money. Now, I am a teacher. I want to share my experience of how I make money without 1000 subscribers. This can work for any link. It can work for any topic, any area. All what you have to do is just this. To make money either online or offline, you must either sell your products or you sell your services, please. So it's either you have a service you have to render. As a teacher now, I'm rendering service. So now, if you are not a teacher, you might have a product. And if you don't have a product, there are ways to get product. Okay, there are ways to get product, to get ideas on how to form products. You can write ebook and you sell to people. Now, this is what we are going to do in this method. YouTube have a weakness. There is a weak point of YouTube that we are going to explore and make better use of it. What is that weak point? The weak point of YouTube is that anytime you release new video, no matter how bad the video is, anytime you release new video, YouTube will push your video to a lot of people within the first 24 hours to 48 hours. Let me come again. YouTube will push your video to a lot of people in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. Why are they doing this? Because they need people to watch your video in order for them to have data, to have the statistics, to have figures of how people react to your video, the impression, the click-through rate, and a lot of things like that, for them to see how they react so that they can place your video to know maybe your video is valuable to people or not. So the algorithm picks it from there. If the video is suitable for people and people are watching it, they start popularizing it to people again. So that's how YouTube works. But we are not going to that. Even if your video is bad and is not getting a lot of views after 48 hours, in fact, between the 24 hours and 48 hours, at least on average, videos get between 20 to 100 views, sometimes 150 views. Even if it's a bad video, it doesn't matter. Okay, now look at it. If you have 40 people watching a video of your product, all what you have to do is to be good in video editing. That's another thing I can teach you, that if you have an interest, you can show it in the comment section and tell me that please teach me video editing. If I see 50 to 60 people, between 50 and 60 people that said please teach me video editing, I will teach that now in this channel. In a subsequent video, I will do that. But what I'm saying now is this: if you have learned video editing, just put your number, your contact. You might not put your phone number. You might get a new SIM and get a number. Just put it there, or your email, put it there and let them know that they can contact you. You will be surprised on how many people that will contact you. Okay, I teach mathematics, physics and chemistry in my own area. I have seen a lot of people I teach online now. Assignment online, I do assignment online, I teach people tutorials online, and they pay me my money even without YouTube monetizing me. So I monetize myself using the YouTube platform. They are the one giving me the traffic, popularizing me to people, and by that I make my own money. And the advantage of YouTube to other social media is that YouTube is specific. They will give your video to these people that have interest in watching it. So if your niche is in teaching and you do video about teaching and you put your title about teaching, they will put your video in the front of people that are likely to watch it. So they are your buyer, they are your customer already made customer. So if you are good at popularizing yourself, you will make it on YouTube. So that is what I have for you, and it is very sweet. Okay, if you need more explanation, please put it in the comment section below. Contact me and let me know. I will be ready to answer you. Thank you and God bless.